Welcome to this Business Gateway video on using free online resources, competitor analysis, and AI tools for business research. Today we'll explore practical tools and strategies to help you research your market, understand your competitors, and identify trends that could give your business a competitive edge. Here's a quick overview of what we'll cover today. Desk-based research, identifying market trends using published resources, understanding market size and forecast, identifying and understanding competitors, gathering competitor information, and leveraging AI tools for research. Primary research involves gathering new data directly from your target market through surveys, interviews, or experiments. Secondary research, also known as desk-based research, involves analyzing existing data from reports, studies, or online sources. In this video, we'll focus on desk-based research, which can help answer several key questions. How big is my market, and is it growing? Who are my competitors? What do they offer? What do customers think? This type of information will help you complete your business plan. Let's look at a case study. A distillery company planned to launch a new gin and used desk-based research to identify market opportunities and understand customer preferences. They gathered information on market size and forecast to identify countries with strong market growth, considered consumer trends in relation to flavors, and analyzed competitors' offerings and recent product launches. This allowed them to build an engaging marketing strategy and successfully launch their new product line. Staying ahead of market trends can mean the difference between staying relevant or falling behind. Market trends help you anticipate customer demands, identify emerging opportunities, and adapt your strategy proactively. There are several resources that provide free access to valuable insights. Depending on your sector, you may find some of the following resources useful. Business Gateway Market Reports are a fantastic and free resource for Scottish businesses, offering key insights and research across various sectors. There are over 100 reports covering everything from adventure tourism and beauty therapy to civil engineering and computer software. They provide valuable information on market trends, customer behaviors, and industry stats. Plus, they're completely free to access, and the information provided will help you to complete several sections of the Business Gateway Business Plan template. Euromonitor International publishes industry reports, market insights, consumer trends, economic analysis, webinars, podcasts, white papers, and case studies. To sign up for free access to some of their content, you can join their community by subscribing to their newsletter. Visit the Euromonitor International sign-up page, fill out and submit the form to complete your registration. Once you sign up, you will receive free reports, global insights, and industry news directly in your inbox. Each month, you can expect a curated roundup of market, consumer, and economic insights. Statista provides access to a wealth of free statistics and infographics on over 60,000 topics from more than 22,500 sources. With a free account, you can access high-level data that can help you identify long-term trends and strategize accordingly. Go to the Statista registration page and fill out the form. Once you have activated your account, you will be able to access free statistics and infographics to support your market research and business planning. Mintel offers a free monthly newsletter that includes the latest insights and innovations across various industries. By subscribing to this newsletter, you can access articles, podcasts, and webinars that provide valuable information on market trends and consumer behavior. With many reports, you can complete a form to download a free sample, or you can sign up for the Mintel free monthly Spotlight newsletter by filling out the registration form. IBIS World provides free previews of their in-depth industry reports. These previews offer a glimpse into industry trends, forecasts, and key statistics, which can be helpful in completing the competitor analysis and market overview sections of your business plan. Deloitte publishes free reports and articles on various industries covering topics such as market dynamics, economic trends, and technological advancements. They also publish thought leadership pieces that provide in-depth analysis and perspectives on key business issues, and host free webinars and podcasts featuring expert discussions on market trends, industry challenges, and innovative solutions. Free case studies and white papers are also available, offering real-world examples and detailed analysis of successful business strategies. By registering with the National Library of Scotland, you can access resources such as the Complete Business Reference Advisor, D&B Hoovers, which is a business information database providing in-depth profiles of companies worldwide, industry profiles, news and market research. You can also access IBIS World from home or visit the Edinburgh Reading Rooms or Kelvin Hall, Glasgow, to access resources such as Mintel and Fame. Customer review platforms such as Trustpilot, online forums, and social media groups can also be sources of information for monitoring local consumer trends. How to use this information? Create customer profiles based on demographic insights, tailoring your marketing and product development to their needs. Identify which regions have untapped demand or growth potential, helping you prioritize where to focus your efforts. Monitor economic trends to anticipate changes in customer behavior and adapt your business strategy proactively. With these free resources, you can gather the necessary information to complete the market research and market overview sections of your business plan. Imagine you're planning to open a cafe in Edinburgh. You'd want to know the size of your potential customer base, how often they might visit, and if demand is likely to grow. Understanding market size and forecasting allows you to do this. It's the foundation of strategic planning. Investors are unlikely to invest in a business in a shrinking market. To begin, visit trusted sources such as the Office for National Statistics and Scottish Government Statistics. The ONS provides detailed demographic data such as age groups, income levels, and population growth in specific regions. For example, if you're opening a fitness centre, you can use ONS data to identify areas with a high percentage of young professionals likely to invest in memberships. Both the ONS and Scottish Government Statistics publish reports on economic indicators like household spending, disposable income, and employment rates. This information can help you anticipate customer spending habits and adjust your pricing or marketing strategies accordingly. If you're considering expanding your business into a new location, Scottish Government Statistics can help you assess the potential demand. For example, you can review data on tourism, transport patterns, or business density in a specific area. Look for forecasting data to understand where growth opportunities might lie. For instance, if reports indicate a projected rise in eco-conscious consumers, you might consider incorporating sustainable products or services into your business plan. Let's move on to identifying your competitors. This is a crucial step in positioning your business. There are two types of competitors you need to be aware of: direct competitors who offer the same products or services as you, and indirect competitors who fulfill similar needs in a different way. For example, a restaurant's indirect competitor might be a food delivery service. Start by using tools like Google and Google Maps to search for businesses in your area offering similar products or services. Social media platforms can also reveal competitors you may not have considered. Additionally, customer review sites like Trustpilot, Google Reviews, and even TripAdvisor can give you insights into how customers perceive competitors, what they're doing well, and where they're falling short. Once you've identified your competitors, look at how they promote themselves. What does their digital footprint look like? Do they use social media ads, email marketing, or search engine optimization? This analysis of your competition's approach to promotion can inspire your marketing strategy. Also, check customer feedback on sites like Trustpilot and Google Reviews. This can help you uncover patterns such as customers frequently praising fast service or critiquing unclear communication. These insights can guide you in developing your company's unique value proposition. One of the most valuable resources for gathering information on competitors is Companies House, which provides publicly available financial information on UK-based limited companies. You can use it to understand financial health. By examining competitors' filed accounts, you can gauge their financial stability. Look for trends in turnover, profits, or losses over time to determine how well they're performing. Assess growth strategies. Companies House filings often include details about expansions, mergers, or acquisitions. This can give you insights into how competitors are growing or diversifying their offerings. Identify investment levels. If a competitor is heavily investing in a particular area, such as research and development or digital marketing, it may indicate emerging priorities or strategies you should consider exploring. Benchmark your business. Comparing your own financial performance with competitors' filings can help you identify areas where you're underperforming or excelling. This benchmarking can guide adjustments to pricing, cost management, or resource allocation. Customer review sites like Trustpilot, Google Reviews, and TripAdvisor can provide qualitative insights. By reading through feedback, you'll learn not only what competitors do well, but also where they consistently fall short. These insights can help you shape your own business to avoid similar pitfalls and capitalize on unmet customer expectations. AI tools have revolutionized how businesses approach research and decision-making. Tools like ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, and Google Gemini can streamline complex research tasks, saving you time and resources. But first, it's worth sharing a cautionary tale. In the rapidly evolving world of business, artificial intelligence has become a powerful tool for conducting market research. However, as with any technology, it comes with its own set of risks. One recent example that highlights these risks is the case of Google's Gemini. Imagine you're a business owner who relies heavily on AI to gather market insights. You trust the data provided by your AI system to make critical business decisions. One day you come across a market research report generated by your AI, which claims that Gouda cheese accounts for 50 to 60% of global cheese consumption. This information seems surprising, but you decide to trust the AI data and base your marketing strategy on it. However, this seemingly reliable data turns out to be a hallucination. In reality, Gouda cheese is a relatively niche product compared to more popular cheeses like cheddar and mozzarella. The AI, in this case Google's Gemini, had generated incorrect data due to its reliance on multiple sources across the web that included the erroneous statistic. This mistake was highlighted when Google had to edit a Super Bowl ad that featured the incorrect claim about Gouda cheese consumption. The consequences of such an error can be significant. As a business owner, you might have invested heavily in marketing campaigns, product development, and distribution strategies based on the flawed data. This could lead to financial losses, damaged reputation, and a loss of trust among your customers and stakeholders. This cautionary tale serves as a reminder that while AI can be a valuable tool for market research, it is not infallible. Business owners should always verify the data provided by AI systems and cross-check it with other reliable sources. Additionally, it's essential to understand the limitations of AI and be prepared to intervene when necessary. AI can enhance market research, but it should be used with caution. Always validate the data, stay informed about the technology's limitations, and be ready to make informed decisions based on a combination of AI insights and human judgment. So how can AI tools be used to assist you? ChatGPT can quickly summarize lengthy reports or articles. For instance, if you're reviewing a 50-page industry report, you can use ChatGPT to highlight the key findings and recommendations. Tools like Google Gemini can analyze vast data sets to identify emerging trends. For example, it might highlight that searches for plant-based snacks have increased by 30% over the past year, prompting you to consider adding vegan options to your menu. Microsoft Copilot integrates with tools like Word and Excel, helping you create professional presentations, analyze competitor data, or draft tailored marketing plans based on your research. AI tools can also assist in monitoring competitor activity online. For example, you can track their product launches, pricing changes, or customer reviews in real time, enabling you to respond proactively. While AI tools can be incredibly useful, it's essential to verify the accuracy of the information with trusted sources. AI complements human intuition and expertise, but shouldn't replace critical thinking. Use AI as a tool to enhance your decision-making, not as a substitute for thorough analysis. To get started with AI tools, experiment with free or trial versions of tools like ChatGPT or Copilot to see how they can fit into your workflow. Use AI to automate repetitive tasks, such as generating reports or analyzing data sets, so you can focus on strategic decision-making. Keep learning about AI capabilities as these tools evolve to ensure you're leveraging the latest advancements for your business. We've covered a lot in this video, so let's take a moment to recap. we discussed how to obtain insights from published resources to help shape your business strategy. We explored how to understand market size and trends. We also looked at how to conduct competitor analysis to uncover strengths and weaknesses. Finally, we explored how AI tools like ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, and Google Gemini can streamline research and decision-making. Start applying these tools and strategies today, whether it's exploring a new market trend, researching competitors more thoroughly, or experimenting with AI for your workflows. Download the companion brochure called Business Information: The Essentials, which includes links to the resources mentioned in this video. Remember, Business Gateway is here to support you. Visit the Business Gateway website at dudebegateway.com for more information.